Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep talking on the phone. I'm going to draw the eyes of Suzy sheep. I draw the shape of her head, nose, her mouth, ears, and the phone that she is holding. Cheek. I draw her body, her cute tail. I draw her hand, her legs. Now let's draw the phone. It has a curly cord. This phone is very old. It looks like an old phone. Have you ever seen a phone like this? Probably your mom and dad have seen something like this. I put it on the table. Then I draw a bubble that shows that Peppa is away. Peppa's eyes and nose, and then the shape of her head, her mouth, cheek. She is also holding a phone right now. Peppa is the one talking, and Suzy sheep is listening. Let's color now. Pink, fuchsia, red, orange, pink, purple, red, black, red, mint green, light blue, red, orange, yellow, little orange. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.